All right, guys, I'm joined by Lucas. We are in New York City, live from ISC East. Lucas, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks.
And so, tell us more about your service that you're offering here.
Okay, we're a company out of the US, Galaxy Control Systems. We've been doing this a long time. This is our, I don't even know, 20th, 30th year out here. We're selling our enterprise access control on premise and in the cloud.
Nice. And I see here that you have some BAS-IP intercoms. Tell me a little bit more about this.
Sure, we have here our AA14 with BAS-IP, their indoor unit, the SP03, and then we have a monitor up here from BAS-IP.
So, what made you choose BAS-IP? What was your thought process for choosing this product?
Our main reason we chose this product is we actually ran into BAS-IP. I was searching for an intercom company that had an open API for us to do all these development, to integrate with our access control system. And the main competitors 3-4 years ago didn't have an open API for us to use. So when I ran into them and they said, hey, we can do everything you need to do, we were like, oh wow, okay, we need to come on board and start a partnership to have their product line offered as part of our entire offering in access control.
I love that, some kind of cooperation between you two to fix some problem.
Exactly.
Let's talk about those problems exactly. So your customers were maybe having some problem and BAS-IP were able to fix them?
Yeah, the whole reason was, we were looking for a solution where we could have one interface from the GUI to manage all the tenants, manage all the employees, so that they could just enter it into one system. It would go into our access control system, but then at the same time go into the intercom unit, so you could get into your normal access control doors, but then you could get into the intercom with their gates or front doors or any other type of entry points like that.
So I guess this integration, there can be some problems that happens in a while. So let's say there's a firmware problem with one of the intercom. Mm-hmm. How's the cooperation again with BAS-IP? How does that work?
Oh, it works really well. BAS-IP has a lot of options for support. You can contact them on the phone, email, WhatsApp. We use all those channels to get a hold of them. And they're constantly developing, evolving, adding new features and functions. So the firmware is constantly coming out and it auto updates if you want, or you can manual update, it's up to you.
And you mentioned support. So again, is BAS-IP the main support here, or are you guys taking part of that part?
We'll do the first line of support. And if we run into any issues that we don't understand or have questions on, then we'll reach out to BAS-IP.
Oh, that's good, that's good. And I guess they're always ready to answer your question.
Always ready, 24 hours a day.
That's what we love to hear. All right, well, thank you first off to introduce us in your booth. Any shout outs you would like to give? Where can we contact Galaxy if we need more information?
You can contact Galaxy at galaxysys.com. From there, you can just click on the contact us link. I'd like to give a shout out just to Olga, to Mark, all the support they've done, and their entire team overseas also with all the development. Anytime we need additional features, functions, they implement those fairly quickly for us. And they're always innovating and adding new features and functions. So it's been great to work with them.